Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Anna Hazare's crusade against parliamentary committees Lokpal draft begins at Jantar Mantar. Receives huge response across the nation. Goans to back Anna fast at Azad Maidan. Goan legend, renowned cartoonist Mario Miranda passes away. Goans pay tribute. Funeral on Monday. Mashilkar Committee finalizes Goa Vision Document Draft 2035. Draft submission to government on 19th. Draft to be open for public feedback for a month. State Congress getting ready for Sonia Gandhi's Goa visit to mark Golden Jubilee celebration. Sonia's scheduled convention at Panji upsets party heavyweights from the south. Sudhakar Reddy in Goa. Kenya's Hillary Toe keeps his promise, wins the Goa River Half Marathon 2011. Soji Matthew does India proud. Finishes 10 seconds of the Kenyan in second. And now the news in detail. Anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare began his day-long fast on Sunday at Jantar Mantar, demanding a strong Lokpal bill. Thousands of supporters gathered at the venue to support the Gandhian. In Goa, India Against Corruption had a day-long fast at Panji, a like fast across the country. Team Anna is protesting against the weak Lokpal bill drafted, tabled by the Standing Committee in the Parliament. This is a run-up for the agitation on 27th December.
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे इंक्लाब इंक्लाब। अगर सरकार इसका इनकार करती है तो देश की जनता खड़ी हुई है। आपके पक्ष और पार्टी के जितने लोग हैं वो हमारे साथ शामिल हो जाए और रास्ते पर उतर जाए। कैसे नहीं करते देखेंगे। सशक्त लोकपाल बिल लाना ही पड़ेगा।
A day-long fast commenced at around 10:15 in the morning at Jantar Mantar, immediately after Anna Hazare arrived at the spot. Thousands of people had gathered at Jantar Mantar supporting Anna Hazare and protesting against the weak Lokpal bill tabled in the parliament. The member of Team Anna said that government has cheated people by presenting a weak Lokpal draft. Activists are demanding a strong Lokpal.
स्टैंडिंग कमेटी केवल एक बात के लिए मानती है और वो बात है कि लोकपाल को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्टेटस दे दिया जाए। मोदी जी चाहते हैं कि लोकपाल को संवैधानिक दर्जा दिया जाए, इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री की भी नहीं चलेगी, पार्लियामेंट की भी नहीं चलेगी, केवल एक व्यक्ति की चलेगी।
Team Anna's demands: Prime Minister under ambit of Lokpal, CBI under Lokpal, A to D category all employees under Lokpal, appointment of Lokayukt in all states, implementation of Citizens' Charter, judiciary under Lokpal. Meanwhile, along with the supporters across the nation, India Against Corruption members and supporters held a day-long fast at Azad Maidan in Panji. Supporters at different places also held a day-long fast. Many were seen waving the Tiranga and singing patriotic songs.
लोक आयुक्त बिल जर युनॅनिमसली पास केला आमच्या असेंब्लीन ते फुडें कितें जालें ताचे अप्रुवल कित्याक जायना, कन्सेंट कित्याक जायना, नोटिफिकेशन कित्याक जायना ताचे कारण एकूच आमकां करप्शन नष्ट करपाची इच्छा शक्ती ह्या सरकारा कडेन ना.
Anna had given an open call to all the political parties to take part in an open debate at Jantar Mantar and clear their stand on Lokpal. Leaders of BJP, Left and some other parties from NDA participated in the debate and voiced for strong Lokpal. However, Leaders of the ruling Congress party and UPA were not seen at Jantar Mantar till late evening. Anna has threatened intense agitation from 27 December. With bureau inputs, our reporter in Panji, Lokik with video journalist Omkar.
Renowned cartoonist Mario Miranda passed away on Sunday morning at his residence in Lutholi. Mario Miranda is survived by his wife and 2 sons. Miranda was not keeping well for the past few years. Mario brought fame to Goa with his outstanding art. Many eminent personalities rushed to his house and paid their tribute to this legend. Final rites will be performed on Monday.
Mario has not only enthralled Goans with his cartoons, but had swayed whole world with his works. Mario's cartoons were loved for his unique style and storytelling. Mario was suffering from health problems for the past many years. Finally, the legend breathed his last on Sunday at his Lokpal residence. His admirers, friends and family members rushed at his Lokpal residence for a last look as soon as the news of his demise flashed. They paid their tributes to this great artist.
I am deeply saddened and devastated that I have lost a friend. The artist community of India has lost a fine, talented artist. Goa has lost its best ambassador ever.
Mario's death is a huge loss. You cannot measure his loss. Loss to Goa, loss to the country, and for me a very personal loss because we have been friends for over 50 years. So the great thing about Mario is that he remained quintessentially Goan, but at the same time pan-Indian.
मारियोन म्हजे तरी म्हाका तरी ल्हानपणाच्यो यादी तशाक तश्यो ताजे कार्टून पळयलो की जागे येतात असो परत देर वॉन्ट बी अनदर मारियो वी हॅव लॉस्ट अ लॉट.
ताणें आपल्या कार्टूनाचे मार्फत गोंयाक आनी आमच्या देशाक अख्ख्या जागतीक पातळीचेर नामना मेळोवन दिल्ली. आज ताज्या निधनाक म्हाका दिसता गोंयचीच न्ही जाल्यार सगळ्या देशाचें नुकसान जाल्लें आसा.
See, it's very important to recognize Mario Miranda as an artist, and what is needed very badly is to have a kind of museum of his work, an archive of what Mario was doing, and I think, and it's very interesting is that we are going to be opening the Recieves fort in about 10 days time, and we are showcasing the opening with a major exhibition of Mario Miranda.
There will be a mass at Lokpal Church at 9:30 in the morning on Monday, and thereafter final rites will be performed in the afternoon. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Committee headed by Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar has finalized the draft Goa Vision Document 2035. The draft will be handed over to the government on 19 December. Dr. Mashelkar told Prudent Media that the committee has also proposed to keep the vision document open for a public opinion for a month.
Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar and Dr. Anil Kakodkar are on an assignment of formulating Goa's Vision Document 2035 for the past 1 year. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar informed us that the committee will be handing over a draft copy of this vision document to the CM on 19 December. The document will be placed for public viewing for a month to collect the feedbacks. Vision document mainly stresses on preservation of environment and development of education, health, art and cultural sectors. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar and other committee members held a meeting in Panji on this document on Sunday.
We are proposing that on the 19th of December, we will present a draft report for public debate to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. And then it will be put in the public domain for a month. Education, health, the way the industrial growth should take place, the way we should become a good governance, observing state. I mean, a whole range of issues are being considered in that.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's almost confirmed that Congress chief Sonia Gandhi will visit Goa and address a mega convention this week. The preparations are on in full swing, but heavyweights from South Goa are upset as the convention is being held in Panji. The party senior leaders have clarified that the convention is being held in capital as it is a Golden Jubilee celebration and not a political show. Sudhakar Reddy is in Goa to look after the arrangements.
State Congress dream of having Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh for the Golden Jubilee celebration had to be shelved as PM's tour was postponed. Now Congress party is all set to welcome party chief Sonia Gandhi for the Golden Jubilee celebration. Sources say Gandhi is expected to address a convention on 17 December. Her Goa visit is almost confirmed, but leaders from South Goa are not happy with Sonia's meeting in Panji. They wanted it to be in South Goa. Party seniors are pacifying these grieving leaders, saying Sonia Gandhi's visit is for Goa Golden Jubilee celebration and not for political show of strength. Union Defence Minister A.K. Anthony will be flowing down to Goa.
डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ए के एंथोनी साहब का प्रोग्राम तो मिला है, साथ में उसी दिन हम लोग ये प्लान कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा का भी यहाँ पे उनका मौजूदी रहने से गोवंस के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। फिर बाकी हमारा जनरल सेक्रेटरी और भी सीनियर लीडर्स भी कल परसों आएंगे। टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू एड्रेस द पीसीसी एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड सीएलपी।
Sudhakar Reddy has hit back at Baba Ramdev for his anti-government statements. Reddy claimed that BJP is backing Baba Ramdev and Goans will give Baba a befitting reply at the right time.
उनका बयान देके इतना पॉलिटिकल बात राजनीति बात किया, ये इनका पीछे आरएसएस और बीजेपी का हाथ है। वो बीजेपी आरएसएस का भाषा बात किया, ये बीजेपी और आरएसएस का जो लिखित रूप में दिए सो स्क्रिप्ट को वो पढ़ के गया।
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.